Our boat life videos have been catching some attention on social media, going viral with millions of views and likes. Recently, we've got an email from Supercar Blondie's team asking for footage, so we decided to put together a quick tour of our Solaryacht 140, which means 140 square meters on the water. Guys, we are in Berlin and we want to show you the HouseBoatYacht, a penthouse on the water. Look at this view. Hi, I'm Mariana and I am living aboard a Solaryacht in Germany with my partner Arek, the founder of the Solaryacht.
Hey everyone, welcome to Solaryacht.
And our daughter Marina. Some of our videos went viral on Instagram and TikTok with millions of views and likes.
Thank you so much, guys. You've been absolutely amazing. Thank you.
One of these video clips might have caught some attention of Supercar Blondie. We received an email from her team to record a room tour and send her some footage to be featured on her social media channels. How cool is that?
Now, this is where it gets cool.
We are big Supercar Blondie fans. We love her content, not only about the supercars, but especially the videos about the flying BMW electric boat, Lamborghini speedboat, and of course, the floating home room tour in Dubai. Here is our quick room tour for Supercar Blondie. Check it out. Hi guys, we are today in Berlin and we want to show you the HouseBoatYacht. Check it out online. It's a penthouse on the water, 140 square meters with a complete kitchen and dining table, fireplace. Look at this view. Check out this wine cooler. Ready to party. Come on. Guest bathroom and laundry room. Washer, dryer. And look at this bedroom. This is the master bedroom. Check out the bathroom. We are now in the main bathroom. They have a walk-in shower and this is a smart home, so everything is connected by voice command. Alexa, ich gehe duschen. Even the baby room has a nice view. Next to the baby room, there's a nice guest room to receive your guests. We have control side powers, acceleration, and ready to go. I'm in love with this kitchen. Look at this island. It's perfect to receive your friends. And now let's have a drink upstairs and enjoy the sunset. So, how do you like our 140 square meter solar yacht? But we have more interiors and solar boats to show you and share with you. Check out this 140 event charter yacht with an open floor plan like a luxury loft on the water. Not cozy enough? So how do you like this exclusive solar yacht with an open layout, home cinema, a premium kitchen design, and a master bedroom designed like a 5-star floating hotel suite? We will send this footage to Supercar Blondie's team and share the videos on social media. We'll keep you posted, and as soon as we receive feedback from the Supercar Blondie's team, we'll let you know. So help us promote this solar-powered boat life and follow us for more beautiful content. Cheers!